Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get the WoW train in BIC DrawPlanet. First go here where I'm going. Click on the canvas and choose something to draw. Then draw it, then click apply. And after that you need to get points. To get points you must ask in the drawing section. You need to have 100 points to get this item. First go where I'm going to. If you are confused, go locate the Bit Kids logo. Locate this canvas beside the logo. Go straight to the words. You should see a city. You have to unlock it for 100 Arkans. Locate this yellow and white thing. Go to it. You should see this train. Now hold E to get the limited. That's it for the WoW train. Hi guys. Today, we are going to show you how to get the DrawPlanet marker packaging suit. First go to any area in BIC DrawPlanet, go make WoW. Then go to any canvas and draw each item in it. This has to be done with all the canvas in all areas. Now draw until you see the prompt appear. Draw more. I also forgot to mention you have to do the scavenger hunt and patches quests. Patches quests can be complete when you draw enough things on each area. For the scavenger hunt, I'll link a video in the description. That's it for today. See ya.